Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 11. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another COOKMAS recipe. Merry COOKMAS. For today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and make a cake, but not just any cake. This is going to be a better than sex cake. So for you guys that know what a better than sex cake tastes like, you'll know that it might just be better than sex. If not, stay tuned and you'll see why. So if you are excited about the recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so here is the better than sex cake. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe as much as I did with the chocolate cake and then the caramel sauce and the Heath bar topping. Really set it off. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Totally appreciate it. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and happy holidays. Bye guys.